Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, your destination for the world's most breathtaking luxury homes and dream properties. Today, we are touring an extraordinary beachfront masterpiece located at 1700 Gulf Boulevard in beautiful Bel Air Beach, Florida. Get ready to experience coastal luxury at an entirely new level. As we begin, take a look at this stunning aerial drone view. This magnificent Mediterranean-inspired estate sits directly on the Gulf of Mexico, spanning 3 expansive lots with approximately 200 feet of private beachfront. From above, you can truly appreciate the scale, privacy, and exclusivity of this one-of-a-kind property. Approaching the home, we arrive at the grand main entrance gate. The elegant driveway welcomes you with lush landscaping, palm trees, and a sense of prestige that immediately sets the tone for what lies ahead. Every detail of this estate has been designed to create a resort-style experience from the moment you arrive. Walking through the main entrance, you're greeted by soaring ceilings, natural light pouring through massive windows, and uninterrupted views of the Gulf. The interior design blends modern luxury with warm coastal elegance, featuring a sophisticated palette of blue, white, and rich brown tones that perfectly complement the beachfront setting. Now let's step into the main living room. This space is truly spectacular, with floor-to-ceiling glass walls framing panoramic ocean views. Designer seating, elegant lighting fixtures, and carefully selected finishes create a space that feels both luxurious and comfortable. Whether entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this living area captures the essence of elevated coastal living. Moving forward, we enter the chef's kitchen, a dream space for cooking and entertaining. The oversized island, premium appliances, custom cabinetry, and marble countertops combine beauty with functionality. Just behind it, a fully equipped butler's kitchen provides additional preparation space, making large gatherings effortless and seamless. Adjacent to the kitchen is the formal dining area. Imagine hosting dinner parties here while watching the sunset over the Gulf through expansive glass walls. The modern chandelier and refined design elements create a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere. Next, we explore one of the most unique features of this home, a private bowling alley. This incredible addition transforms the estate into a personal entertainment resort, offering unforgettable experiences for family and friends. Nearby, you'll find a temperature-controlled wine room and custom bar area complete with wine refrigeration, an ice maker, and a kegerator, designed perfectly for hosting and celebrations. For movie nights, the home features a cozy private theater where you can relax and enjoy a true cinematic experience without ever leaving the house. Every space in this property has been thoughtfully designed to balance entertainment and relaxation. Now let's head upstairs to the primary bedroom suite. This retreat offers breathtaking ocean views, a luxurious king-sized sleeping area, and a peaceful atmosphere designed for comfort and privacy. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space while maintaining a serene coastal ambiance. The primary bathroom feels like a 5-star spa, featuring marble finishes, a freestanding soaking tub, a spacious walk-in shower, and elegant modern fixtures. It's a perfect place to unwind after a long day. The home also includes multiple additional bedrooms, each designed with luxury, comfort, and privacy in mind. Guests will feel like they're staying in a high-end resort. For wellness enthusiasts, the private gym offers a complete fitness experience, including a steam shower and sauna that bring spa-level relaxation directly into your home. Convenience is another highlight of this estate, with 4 laundry rooms strategically placed throughout the property to support effortless daily living. Stepping outside, we discover one of the most impressive areas of the home, the resort-style outdoor space. The spectacular swimming pool features a lazy river, surrounded by lounge areas and breathtaking ocean views. The fully equipped outdoor kitchen and grill station, complete with refrigeration and ice service, make this space perfect for entertaining year-round. In addition to the main residence, the property includes a separate 5,000-plus square foot guest home with a private entrance. This provides exceptional comfort and privacy for visiting family and friends while maintaining the exclusivity of the main estate. And as an extraordinary bonus, the sale of this incredible property includes a 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom, perfectly matching the prestige and luxury lifestyle this home represents. This estate is more than just a house. It's a rare Gulf front masterpiece offering unmatched luxury, privacy, and resort-style living in one of Florida's most exclusive beachfront communities. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible property tour. Let us know in the comments which feature was your favorite, the private beach, the bowling alley, or the resort-style pool. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next dream home tour.